Have you ever wondered what it takes to turn your dreams into reality? To transform the abstract painting of your aspirations into a tangible masterpiece? In the vast expanse of our dreams lies a vision painted with the hues of prosperity, an image of the big house that stands as a testament to the triumphs of hard work and dedication. It's a dream that transcends mere vocations. It's a calling to break free from the shackles of the daily grind and embrace a life characterized by abundance, time, and freedom. Imagine life as a colossal mountain, daunting, filled with challenges that seem insurmountable. The journey is riddled with peaks and valleys, and each step is a testament to the indomitable spirit that resides within those who dare to dream. The hardships, like fierce winds against a sturdy tree, may bend, but do not break. The struggle, the grind, is the crucible in which resilience is forged. Draw inspiration from the echoes of perseverance. Consider Maximus in the grand arena of life, battling not just adversaries, but the very limitations of fate. At the pinnacle of his existence, wounded yet unyielding, he confronted the Emperor of Rome and against all odds emerged victorious. It's a tale of tenacity, a symbol that echoes in the corridors of our own struggles. Life's ups and downs, the harsh elements that shape our journey, are not roadblocks, but stepping stones. They carve us into beings endowed with the strength to face the fiercest storms. The financial dreams that appear distant and unattainable become feasible aspirations for those who endure. As the battle-scarred warrior looks towards the horizon, there emerges a light at the end of the tunnel. It's a light born not just from the glow of success, but from the resilience, the refusal to succumb, and the unwavering commitment to forge a path towards prosperity. For those who weathered the storms, there exists a journey towards financial fulfillment, a journey seasoned with the bitter and the sweet. The hardships become allies, the scars become badges of honor, and the dream, once distant, becomes a reality. The grand house on the hill, the leisurely vocations, and the luxury of time and freedom are not just figments of imagination, but the tangible rewards of a journey well fought. To those still navigating the treacherous slopes, remember to keep climbing. The summit may seem far, the winds may howl, but with each step, you become a conqueror. The financial dreams that dance on the horizon are not illusions. They are destinies waiting to be claimed by those who refuse to surrender. Persevere, for your journey is the harbinger of the life you envision, a life sculpted by your unwavering spirit and the resilience that defines your very essence. At the end of this epic journey, if you're seeking the key to unlock your financial dreams and make money online, there might be a solution. Click the link in the description below to explore a potential pathway towards your goals. Don't forget to hit subscribe and the notification icon for timely updates on more content. For those eager to delve deeper, the description below holds the gateways to the ABS Affiliate Business System and my main hub website and blog. These resources are not just links, they are bridges to the possibilities you've envisioned. Your dreams are within reach, and the journey to financial fulfillment awaits. Embark on this adventure today.